Welcome to this demonstration on host and measure in Ontuitive Cloud. During this demo, I will walk you through the following scenario. First, in the role of a project admin or project owner, I will create a new project, upload a Learning Guide publication to Ontuitive Cloud, and enable utilization and sentiment tracking. Then I will switch over to the role of an end user and add some comments and ratings on topics. Finally, I will return to the role of project owner and view some reporting on the comments and ratings that were just added by the users. I launched Ontuitive Cloud and I'm currently logged on as the project admin of a customer called The Company. My first step is creating a new project. To define the project, I will add some project metadata, like the project name and description. I also need to assign the project owner, the person responsible for this specific project. In this example, the organization would really like to know how users will make use of the Learning Guide publication, and will also allow them to add some commenting and ratings on any topic in the Learning Guide. Finally, I will select an image to represent my project. All metadata has been added and I will start creating the project. Now let's add some content to the just created project by opening the project and click Import Content. Add a unique name for this specific publication, selecting the relevant content file type, which is a zip file containing the publication, selecting the correct publication type, which is Learning Guide, and finally click Browse to select the relevant zip file. And start uploading the file. After the file has been uploaded and unpacked, I will select the default start file for this Learning Guide publication. The Learning Guide is now ready to use, and users can be granted permission to watch the content of the Learning Guide. Depending on how Learning Guide is implemented within the user's organization, users can access the Learning Guide via secure connection by entering a username or password, or will gain secure access via SAML-enabled ADFS single sign-on. To launch a Learning Guide, for example, the user can click the shortcut on a desktop, a link on the intranet, or allow the content to be pushed using Ontuitive's ready technology. For now, I will just open the Learning Guide by clicking the link in the Ontuitive Cloud Hosting Service module. In this example, as being a user, I decide I need some support on getting started with Microsoft Link. Reading through the steps and detailed information, I decide I want to leave a comment for the creators. Also want to rate this topic a 5-star rating. As a project owner, I'm very interested to see how many times my users visited the Learning Guides that I've provided them. I also want to learn if they left me some feedback and rated any topics. So I click the Reports section in Ontuitive Cloud, which gives me access to reports on commenting, rating and utilization. Let's take a look at some reports, starting with comments for a specific project, showing me the date, commenter name, the comment itself and the topic the comment was made on. The ratings for project report gives me an overview per topic, the average rating and how many times a specific rating has been given. And finally, let's take a look at the utilization report, which gives me an overview of all topics and the number of times those topics were visited. Also good to know is that each report can be exported to a CSV file format. This brings us to the end of this demo. For more information on Ontuitive Cloud, please visit www.ontuitive.com.